All right, today we're going to bring a tattoo printer. Now, it's a tattoo printer, but you can actually use it for any kind of thermal paper. Now, we're going to use it for a tattoo draft, right? And they do give you a couple sheets that you can actually run through it. Now, including with the actual printer, they give you the charging station, which I'm doing right now, and it's charging. It's not even on. Now, this one has different sizes, if you guys can see. Different sizes that you can put the paper. If it's a smaller cut, or maybe you cut the sheet, you can actually keep drafting it and put it in any size that you want. Now, a great thing I like about it is that they give you a USB. This is for the actual driver because it's also compatible for Mac and PC. They also include an application called TAT that you're going to need to download if you want to use your phone and transfer from there. And that's what we're going to actually use. Instructions are included along with the barcode to download the application. I like that they give you the sheets ready to go in here. And like I said, it's called TAT. We have TAT on. All right, we're going to actually connect. And right now it says disconnect, but we're going to turn this on. Hold the power button for a couple seconds. It starts turning on. Now, it says disconnected, but we're going to look for it while using it. Allow. And there it is. It found the actual system. It's an X8 right here. We're going to connect to it. And any kind of a firmware upgrade, it's going to ask you. We're going to pair it. And there's the system completely pair already with the actual system. So we're going to go ahead and go in here. And it's asking you, it's giving you a tutorial step by step. Remove the projector paper. Feed it from the actual front, I guess, and then send it to the back. So we're going to do that. The great thing about it, I forgot to mention that they give you different sizes of paper. You guys can see that. Small to large. And then they're all thermal papers with the actual same coloring. All right. For this demo, we're going to use some of their local art that they have. And you just find something that you're comfortable with. All right. So they have plenty of art to begin with. If you don't, you go upload your own. Grab this Puma, if you guys can see that. And then we're going to go ahead and download it and install it, or we could just print it from here. All right, we just fed the actual paper, and you got to do it from the front, all right, from here. And this is where you actually range it, what type of paper we have. So right now we have it. All we got to do is get our image, and we have to say print, and it's going to send it through the printer, right? So let's go ahead and print it now. And there it goes. So they give plenty of paper that you can start with and actually start doing your images. And that's it. That's pretty much it. So now let's see, is it confirmed that we got the image? All right, confirm. Let's see how well it came out. We transfer. And there it is. You guys can see it. It's in there. So let's see if we could transfer that image over to us. So let's go ahead and do that. That beautiful image. Look at that. So here's this actual stencil. Right, overall, it came out pretty good. I'm not a professional. I'm going to let you guys know that I don't know anything about tattoos or anything about doing tattoos, but this machine actually transferred the actual feature into my skin, which is something that a lot of tattoo artists do. So this works very well, even with the application. It has an app where actually you could take a picture of something and post it or integrate it with your system. If you have a computer, you could also do it through a computer, iPad, iPhone, Android to the application. But look how well it came out. And I'm going to try to see if I can show you. It's like a Puma kind of thing. And this paper, you can reuse it again if you're going to print out anything from this side. But you could just buy these. They sell them separately in different sizes. And of course, the machine, you can take it anywhere. Very small, petite, easy to use. And also, if you ever forget the application, underneath there's a barcode that you could download the app and in the box too. So simple out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video.